What's up, YouTube? You clicked on this video because you're interested in some crossbars for your Yukon. The new 21 through 26 roof rail system on the GM full-size SUVs is sweet. It lets you add all sorts of roof rack, roof rail accessories to your truck. Now, GM offers one for MSRP around $700 that clamps on the top. Today, we're going to be unboxing the KINGGERI lockable aluminum crossbar that has a weight capacity of around 330 pounds. GM's Genuine Parts only offers a 220 load capacity. So that is awesome right off the back. Did I mention that the KINGGERI are also around $140 to $200 on Amazon? They ship fast and they show up in great shape. I trust Amazon's shipping and returns a lot better than I do GM. The 6.2 liter, right? All right, okay. Never mind. Cut that. Let's jump right in on unboxing and installing these KINGGERI lockable aluminum crossbars. We just got everything unboxed from the KINGGERI set, and you can see everything's labeled really nice. You know exactly where it's going to go, which end it bolts up to, before I even look at the instructions. So, nobody reads these. Just kidding. Always read the instructions. More often than not, I always miss something. That is clutch. I know it's super easy to do that. I always like to find a focal point on each side of the truck because I know it's even. I love that their instructions are warning you about that, because that can really compromise how much load you can put on these crossbars. All right, let's get these things installed. All right, keys to unlock the covers. Man, I love that they give you these little hand tools, because on the side of the highway, if you can't get to your own tools or didn't bring some, I would keep this in the car just so you can snug the rails up if for some reason they come loose, or you think they're loose, or you need to tighten them. Check the torque on them mid-trip, whatever may be it. Looks like we get a couple extra nuts and bolts and washers. All right, sweet. So we're gonna go, this is on the right side, front of vehicle. Right front. There's arrows. Wham, like this. Go drive. Right would be the passenger side. Left front be the driver's side. Think upside down if you're uninstalling these upside down. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Oh man. It amazes me how many times I still say that in my head. Okay. Now you can tell this is taking me all of what, less than 5 minutes, and I feel like we're going to be able to put these things up on the roof rack right away and then just start clamping things down. This is some seriously thick aluminum on these crossbars. It's reinforced on the inside. That's how they're getting there. 330 pounds. And I do have another set, like I said, that I have traveled with, and they were rated at 330 pounds. And I had some dog kennels up on top and luggage, and I definitely used a lot of that weight capacity. So I'm excited to use these because these seem even sturdier. These are even beefier on the clamps. Loving them, loving them. All right, we got it. So before we totally torque those down, we can pull these covers off, put them on the roof. The instructions are simple. Oh yeah, that's sweet. Okay. Covers just come right off. All right, now the fun part. Let's put these things up on the roof. Now, always get yourself like a stool or a second person, your neighbor to come help. You're gonna want to make sure you loosen these clamping bolts up. Look at that, it's already got a nice. See, I'm gonna come back a little further since I got the XL. Let's use this line for a reference. So like I said, I like to pick the line. I'm gonna use this sunroof second window and just line this side up. They need a little more loosening. There we go, nice. Wow, yeah, that is way sturdier than the other brand I have. But, okay, let's just kind of snug it up so it sits straight. Oh, I love how there's rubber all over, way more flush. Because you're not going to be able to reach as well with just the steps. And you're stepping all over your trim. Now I know. Oh, right, there we go. Okay, let's find that same line. Just use that window line. And you know they're not crooked. Okay, there you go. Just keep snugging these. So snug. Oh. There we go. You got to make sure that that comes over the lip of this rail so that each side clamps when you tighten it down. Same here. I'm going to use my rear window to line this side up, then I know where to put the other side.
A few moments later.
And that's it, guys. The KINGGERI lockable aluminum crossbars. Man, they look slick. Hey, thanks for watching. Links in the bio.